a particular resources in this particular design, you can just adjust it to the maybe you need the background, for instance. You can just adjust it like this, and it is going to bring out various. Alright guys, welcome back to my tutorial video. This is Ali Mabiodun. In this tutorial video, I'm going to be taking us through on how we can effectively and efficiently make use of Pinterest app in getting design inspirations without any stress, and also how to make use of the particular Pinterest app also to get design resources without any stress. I'm going to be taking us through on how you can effectively and efficiently do that within minutes. I'm going to start from the beginning. Like, I'm going to show you how you be able to open an account on this Pinterest app, because as a designer there is a need for you to have a special account on Pinterest app where you'll be posting your designs and you will be getting likes, and probably you might later get monetized. So I'm going to be taking us through on that particular process, how you are going to open an account with Pinterest app, how you'll be able to achieve this kind of effect, because I've already did a tutorial video on that. You can actually check the description box below. Everything is going to be available for you there. Everything is going to be available for you there. So kindly stick around me to the end of this tutorial video. Please, if you are a new viewer, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel. And if you are a returning viewer, thank you for subscribing to this channel. See you in the tutorial video. Alright guys, welcome back to my tutorial video. This is Ali Mabiodun. Please, if you are new viewer, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel. And if you are a returning viewer, thank you for subscribing to this channel. Let's dive into the main thing. Alright, so the first thing which I'll be needing to do is first of all head over to my Play Store. Should in case you don't have your Pinterest app on your phone, you can as well get it on Play Store or App Store if you're using iPhone. So you just click on this search icon, then you are going to input Pinterest, then Pinterest app. You are going to click on it. Then I think my need update, but then let me just leave it and go straight to the point. So you can just get it from the Play Store application. So, and that's it. Then I'm going to click on it. The first thing about this particular Pinterest app is that when you actually download it on your phone, you'll be needing to first of all input your Gmail account and set it up. So I'm going to be taking us through on how you can easily do that without any stress. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel. So let's wait for it to finish loading, because it actually made use of internet connection. So alright, you can either input your email address or just input any of your email address you have on your phone. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to be choosing any image from here. So let me just choose this, for instance. So continue. Let me just choose that. I just want to be taking us through on how you can easily do that. Then they'll be asking you to set up your, I think it's date of birth. Yeah, your date of birth. Let me just quickly do that. I'm going to be fast forwarding this page without wasting our time. Alright, in this section they will be asking you what is the aspect which you have interested in. Pick 5, customize your home feed. Like home feed, what you feel like viewing, because actually or normally everything you've been searching on the Pinterest app is going to be your home feed. Like maybe you search for design resources, it's going to show you in your home feed. So kindly stick around with it then. So let me just choose 5 random things which I want to be seeing on my home feed. Like when you first open the Pinterest app, that is the home feed. Let me just choose any 5 things. Later I'm going to do it. Alright, I've successfully selected all the necessity which I think I'll be needing. So the next thing here is for me to just to show us how you'll be able to get design inspiration and ideas on your Pinterest app without any stress. So kindly stick around me to the end of this video. I initially logged out my account so as to be able to teach us how you'll be able to go about it. So kindly stick around me to the end. So you are going to be clicking on this particular search icon below. Then you are going to, let's say for instance you want to be designing a birthday flyer, for instance. So you are going to search for birthday flyers. Yeah, then you are going to click on it and you'll be able to see various kind of design for birthday flowers, which designer have posted. Wow, can you see this? This is actually nice. This is great. You can use this as your design inspiration. Like, it is not necessarily for you to just copy it or design it the way it is. You can just choose some kind of ideas from this particular design flyer. Like, for example, the background design, the background layout. You can just make use of the way the background is being designed. If you notice it, you will notice that the background is a blurred background. So you can just do that, like, just the way the design element are being laid out. You can use that as your design inspiration or as a source of your design inspiration. You can also save it for other times. Can you see that? So you can just make use of it the way the design layout, everything is how everything is placed. You can just use it as a source of your design inspiration. Then maybe you don't like this, or let me just check another design. Can you see this as well? You can use this as your design inspiration, not necessarily the way it is. You can just take one or two things. Let's say, for instance, the way they do the background, like the background is a blur background, and aside from that, you notice that they write something there, like the name of the celebrant. It is being written at the back. You can just design, you can just choose that particular inspiration and use it to come up with your design. And you can just use it to come up with your design. Just search for anything you feel like designing, and you'll be able to. You can even, let's say, for instance, you like this particular design, then maybe you want to be downloading it and use it as a guideline for your own design. You can just click on these three dots. Then you are going to click on download image, and automatically the design is going to be downloaded to your phone, and you can just import it to your design interface and make use of it as a sample, as a guideline to your own design. Can you see that? You can just choose any design here and use it as a source of inspiration. Okay, let me just show you something. Let's say, for instance, you need this particular blurred background for your design. You can just click on this particular three dots. No, this is not this three dots. Just click on this something like search icon. Just click on it, and maybe you need a particular resources in this particular design. You can just adjust it to the, maybe you need the background, for instance. You can just adjust it like this, and it is going to bring out various blurred background for you. Can you see that? Can you see various blurred background you can actually use for your design? Can you see it? Can you see various background you can use for your design? You can actually use this background for your design project, maybe a birthday flyer, a church flyer, or whatever. You can use it, blend it together. Don't worry, I'm going to be doing a tutorial video on how you can blend backgrounds together for your various design projects. So kindly stick around with it. Then maybe you need anything, just click on this particular search icon. After clicking on, then shrink this particular icon, shrink it to the part where you needed that particular resource, just like the way I'm doing. Can you see that? And it is automatically going to bring out various related design resources to that. Or let me just choose another design entirely, so that you easily get what I'm trying to say. Because I don't think this is not the design resources per se. It was created on Pixel Lab. It was created from the scratch on Pinterest tab, on Pixel Lab rather. So let me just, okay, let's say, for instance, this particular design, this particular birthday write-up, it can actually be a design resources. So let me try to search for it, and you'll be able to see various design resources, various text design resources. So let's wait for it to finish loading. Oh wow. So let me just no, just leave it. It doesn't bring what I needed. Can you see this? You can just search for this particular background, and it is automatically going to bring it out for you. Oh, so it doesn't bring it. So it depends on what you have been searching for on this particular Pinterest tab, that it is going to be showing for you. It depends on what you have been searching for on this particular Pinterest tab. It depends. That is when they are going to determine the kind of feed they are going to be giving to you. So I'm coming. Let me just through and check for other designs like that, so that I'll be showing us. Or let's search for something else. Let me just search for birthday text effect. Birthday. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Birthday text effect. You can actually get it on Pinterest tab, the ready-made one. So let me just do that for you. This Pinterest tab is amazing. It's amazing. So kindly stick around me today. Wow, can you see that? You can actually download this particular resource. I even have it on my phone. I think this one has watermark. Then we can get other ones like this one now, it doesn't have watermark. You can just click on this icon, then download it to your smartphone, then go and remove, use can you see it has been downloaded? You can, choose from any various, choose from all these particular birthday effects. You can choose anything from it. If one has watermark, try to check for any that doesn't have watermark, and just download it and remove the background, then use it for your various design. So let me go back to teaching us how you can actually get design inspiration. Can you see this particular text effect? Wow, I love this. This can actually be, no, I think it's not a text effect, it is a video. So I'm coming, let me just show us how you can, come about the design inspiration and all that. Let's say for instance I want to be designing a music album back cover, because I'm actually working on a particular project for a music brand. So can you see those design? Can you see it? Or let me just search for something else. Let me search for okay, vector images. Just those kind of those 3D image you'll be using for your various design. Can you see it? These are the vectors images I'm talking about. Can you see that? Can you see it? You can actually download any one of it and use it. Just remove the background. Can you see this? Can you use this as a as a frame for your design, for something like this? You can use it as a frame for it. And also all this, you can even manipulate this with your background. I'll be in my next video, I'm going to be showing us how you can use that, how you can manipulate your various background. So let me just search for 3D images. I'm showing us how you'll be able to use it to search for design resources first, and I'm going to be showing us how you'll be able to get inspiration from it, how you'll be able to design something similar but not exact. So kindly stick around to the end of this video. 3D images, let me just do that. So it depends on what you have been searching for on this particular Pinterest tab. That is what they are going to be giving you as the home feed. Can you see this? It depends on what you have been searching for on this Pinterest tab. Can you see all these kind of 3D images? At times maybe you need a specific 3D image. You can just say okay, you'll be specific at times. So in case that you couldn't get what you want, you can just say 3D image of a doctor. You can just be specific in some instances so that you'll be able to get a perfect result. Can you see that? Can you see the result? There are times where you will need to be specific on your search, so that you'll be able to get an astonishing result. Can you see that? You can just search for anything on this particular Pinterest tab. Let's, for instance, I want to be designing a church flyer. For instance, a church flyer. I'm going to be showing us how you can just design something similar without any stress. Sorry, church flyers, design inspiration. Let me just put it like that. I told you have to be specific at time. Design inspirations. So there are some instances whereby we find ourselves in a creative block, whereby you don't know we don't even have any idea of what you want to do, or in a situation whereby you just feel like what you are designing is not as perfect as you expected it to be. You can just leave the design for a while, go and chill with friends. You can sleep, you can eat, you can do anything, then come back to it. Or you can just come to this Pinterest tab. Maybe you are in the creative block, you are in the creative block, you don't know what to do next. You can just come to the particular Pinterest tab and search for design inspirations. Just keep scrolling, and from there you'll be grabbing some one or two things, the way some design elements are being placed. Just like this, you can just check out how this footer is being created. Can you see it? Because this particular side is called the footer. You can just check how it is being aligned. So I can it is not necessary for you to design the same thing. You can just find your way out of it. You can just find a way out of it. Can you see this? Can you see a background resources as well for your various church for your various church design? Can you see this? Can download it. You can download it. You can download any one of it and use it for your various. Can you see this particular church flyer? Can you see it? It is very nice. It is very nice. So let's say for instance you want to be designing a church flyer, and you need a design. Probably you'll be needing a background, because background manipulation is something that is very important as a graphic designer in any design, especially church flyer. you need a very attractive background manipulation or background design. You can just search for church background design. And just search for that. Wow, can you see those results? Can you see the results? Maybe you don't let's say for instance you don't even know the kind of background you'll be using. You can just come to Pinterest app and just search for it and download any one of it that you think it will be suitable for it. It will be suitable for your various design projects. Can you see this? And just download anyone you feel like it is going to be suitable for your various design projects. Even for a birthday flyer, you can actually use this for a birthday flyer. This particular background can be useful for a birthday flyer. You can just come to this Pinterest tab and just download any one of it, and you can make use of it for your design project. In my next tutorial, I'm going to be showing us how to manipulate our various background. So kindly stick around me till the end. Can you see this? Can you see this? Wow, this is amazing. I love this. This is amazing. This will be useful for a design project. At times you might be downloading something and you might not know the usefulness. There are times where you might not have data on your phone. You can just go to your download, then search for the kind of resources that will be aligning with your design. Can you see it? Or can you see all this? Can you see all this design? You can just come to this Pinterest tab to search for anything, to search for design inspiration. You can even come there to just search for design inspirations, and it is going to bring out various designs for you, and you'll be looking, you just be checking everything, how it is being placed, how everything is being manipulated. Then you are going to think about, you are going to think of a way out how you'll be able to create something like that. Can you see that? Can you see it? I've did a tutorial video on how you can effectively add this kind of lens flare. Because it is a lens flare, you can check the description box below to get the link to the tutorial video there. Can you see all this design? Can you see it? Can you see it? So you can just come to this Pinterest tab and get anything you want from it, and just download it to your phone, then use it for your various design. You can even search for text effects on it. And it is going to give you various text effects. Let me just do that for you. Text effects, and you'll be able to download it. It's going to be able to download it for free. Wow, can you see various text effects? Can you see it? It is going to lead you to that site where you'll be able to download these text effects. Wow, can you see it? Can you even see a tutorial video guide on how you can easily do those kind of text effects? Can you see it? A tutorial video guide. Can you see it? Photoshop Designer. Can you see it? So it is going, you'll be able to get a lot of inspiration from this particular Pinterest tab without stress. Can you see it? This particular text effect now is free. You can easily download it. By just clicking on it like this, and it is going to take you to their site. Where you'll be able to download it. Can you see that? It's going to take you to Free Pick, and I think it should be free. Let's wait for it to finish. Wow, can you see that the text effect is actually free? You can just download it. I might be needing. Let me just download it. I might be needing it. Free download. Can you see that? So it has started downloading. Can you see that? You can search for anything you want. And let's say for instance, let me show you this. Let me come to my end. Let's say for instance you want to be posting your own design on Pinterest tab. I'm going to show you how you'll be able to do that. Just click on this particular icon that looks like a photo start, like a passport rather. After clicking on it, then you're going to click on your Gmail like this, your account. Can you see that? Then you'll be able to edit your account management. You can see that you're able to write your personal information and anything you want to be inputting. You can just come here. Let's say for instance, you can set up your account from this end. You can just click on this place to view your profile. Then you can just click on this picture. Then after that, you'll be able to add your own picture. Can you see that? You're able to add your own personal picture. Then let me show you how you be able to add your own design. You can just walk around and set up your page, or even add another account. Let's say for instance you want to be adding your own design to this Pinterest app in order to get monetized in future, or in order to get job offers. You can just click on this plus icon. You are going to click on pin. After you click on pin, you'll be able to upload your own design. It will just like this. Then you are going to you are just going to, because I don't want to post this because it is not my own design actually. So you can just do that. Click on this block icon, then create your own pin just like this. Then select your own design and post it. Okay, let me just find one of my design and do it, because there are some things which you'll be needing to add on it. So let me just find my own design, or let me just find my own design. Let me just try to find my own design. Okay, Adobe Lightroom, because I made use of Lightroom to upscale my image. This particular designer said that I shouldn't post his design yet, because he doesn't want to post it out yet. So let's wait for it to finish loading. I just want to be showing us the procedure, like what you'll be needing when you add your image. And I don't want this tutorial video to be too long, but this thing is not loading fast. Maybe it's network issue or something. Okay, it is loading. So let me just find one of my design that I feel like adding. I'm coming. Okay, let me add this. Let me click on next. Yeah, then you are going to tell everyone what your opinion is all about. Like maybe the kind of design you want to be posting, just tell people what is it, like what is all about. So let me just write what the design is. I think the design is a social media design banner. Yeah, that's the design. Then a description, just describe what your design entails, like a flyer design for a brand. Let's say for a brand identity let me just stop there. Then maybe you want to be adding any link. Maybe for instance, let's say you are a YouTuber now. You have a YouTube page and you want people to visit your YouTube page for them to be able to watch this particular video. You can just add that particular link here. Then pick a board. Maybe you have there is a place where you see board. Maybe you might have add some images in your board. You can just add it there. Then tag. You can just tag. You know what hashtag simply means. It simply means that whenever anybody type in that particular word, you put the hashtag here, it is going to give them your design. It's going to give them your design, and they can follow you. When you earn more follower, you might get monetized along the line. Then you can just add tag. Let's say hashtag social media design, social media design. Then hashtag design flyers, hashtag Pixel Lab design, hashtag Photoshop design. I don't think I need to give it space. Let me just adjust it, because I think the space in between those hashtag is not necessary. So let me adjust it. It's not necessary, because when you are using hashtag, or when you are adding hashtag to your video or anything, you don't need to put space. Let me just do that for us. Yeah, I think this is fine. Then you can just click on done. You can you see tag related topics to reach people interested in pages like yours? Can you see that? So you can just go back. How is the hashtag? Pick a tag topics. I think something is tag related topics. I'm coming. Social. Okay, I'm coming. Social media page design. Can you see that? Can you see that? Social media page design. Then PZ Lab design. Can you see that? Then Photoshop design. Then let me just leave it like that. Can you see that? Can you see that? Then you can just create. It like this, and automatically your pin was published, and people will be able to view it. People will be able to view your various design. People will be able to view your various design. I think it should be there. Created by me. Can you see it? Can you see that? Can you see it? And it has so related design, and people will be able to view your pins, and they can even contact you should in case they need a particular design project like that. So this will be the end of this tutorial video. If you need anything at all, please feel free to comment in the comment section. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next tutorial video.